Hi, my name is Mauro Rinaldi, and this is a small webinar presentation for a PhD opportunity in my lab to work on high-value chemical production from waste cellulose. We have a problem. We desperately need to displace petrochemicals in the production of chemicals that we use in our everyday lives. These chemicals are life-saving medicines or flavors and fragrances in our toothpaste and house cleaning products that we interact with since we wake up in the morning until we go to sleep at night. The challenge is chemical production cannot be decarbonized, and there are no commercially viable alternatives. The solution is to use biomass. This PhD will explore new approaches to bring about a revolution in chemical manufacturing. Let me explain how. I have a track record of leveraging my core expertise in molecular biology and microbiology to convert cellulose into high-value chemicals. I strategically partnered with the UK startup Lixia, who have a unique technology to purify cellulose from lignocellulosic waste coming from the forestry industry. I will train a PhD student to scale up this process with a co-supervisor and expert chemical engineer, Dr. Vicky Skulu, to provide large chemical manufacturers with sustainable, renewable carbon, high-value chemicals for their products. This process closes the loop on a perfect example of the circular bioeconomy, which will be developed with circular economy expert and co-supervisor, Professor Pauline Deutz, as a case study for future processes. This project thus aligns with the University of Hull Strategy 2030 for a fairer, brighter, carbon-neutral future, and with global strategies for sustainability and renewable carbon. The PhD student will thus benefit from a multidisciplinary and experienced supervisory team to support and grow their career in the UK bioeconomy. As a supervisor, I am deeply involved with day-to-day supervision to teach students molecular biology and fermentation science, catch them up to date with the research, and then empower them to foster their research independence. I have mentored a diverse group of researchers, several of whom are co-authors in my publications. The PhD student will be included into a vibrant research community embedded in biology and supported in applying for research and travel funding, and present in international conferences and internal seminars across schools to master their networking and presentation skills. They will also directly interact with industrial partners to garner real-world experience. In particular, Dr. Florence Schwendt spun out a company from her PhD at ICL, and thus will be a perfect mentor for entrepreneurship. The large chemical manufacturer partner is also an opportunity to explore careers in industry. The PhD student will train in key lab skills which are highly valued in the job market, supplemented by the postgraduate training scheme at Hull. In particular, the combination of molecular biology and fermentation science is highly valued in the biotechnology industry, and entry jobs have competitive salaries. The ambition is to grow a Hull biotechnology research group to do follow-on work. The PhD students will also obtain key outputs that will aid their career by undertaking the experimental work, obtaining preliminary data, and preparing manuscripts for publications and patents. The main technology we will be exploring is synthetic organelles. Organelles are subcellular compartments with specialized function, like mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, or chloroplasts enable photosynthesis to fix carbon and build plants up. We know a lot about how organelles are made in their native organisms, but we cannot make them from scratch for any intended purposes. Specifically, we will make synthetic lipid bodies with plant components in microbes to house the high-value chemicals and protect the cells from toxicity at the high levels that enable commercial viability. Synthetic biology brought about a revolution in DNA. I believe synthetic organelles are the next frontier in engineering biology with broad impact in biotechnology. Thank you for your time and attention. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. The deadline is 15 February 2024, but why wait? You apply now and secure your chance at this fantastic opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.